Functions are fundamental to C++. Even in C++'s object-oriented programming model, functions are the basis of class methods. All code in a C++ program happens in functions, starting with the main function. A function is a block of code that may be called by and may return a value to other code. This is analogous to procedures or subroutines in other programming languages. Functions allow you to generalize and modularize your code by creating containers for logical subsets of code and by allowing code to be reused. Function arguments are passed to functions by value, so when you call a function and pass it a variable, a copy of the variable is passed to the function. If the function then changes that value, the caller's copy remains unchanged. For example, here we have a variable a with a value 1. This variable is passed to a function f. After the function returns, we print the value. Here's the function f, which takes that value and assigns it to a local variable also named a, but this is absolutely a different value. It's in a different scope and is separate in every way. The value 1 is copied and passed to the function, so when a is incremented in the function, only its local copy is affected. The caller's copy remains unchanged, and printf will print the number 1. The alternative to call by value is call by reference. To implement call by reference, you must do so explicitly. The advantage here is that you will know by reading the code that a reference is being passed, and there may be side effects. In this example, the ampersand in the function call parameter means to pass a pointer to a instead of the value of a. The ampersand is called the reference operator, or sometimes the address of operator. And in the function, the variable p carries as its value a pointer to a. So when we want to increment the value of a, we do so by dereferencing the pointer. The asterisk is called the pointer dereference operator. So this time, passing a pointer, we are explicitly using call by reference. The value in the caller's variable a will be incremented, and the printf will print the number 2. In C++, you may also use the reference type to implement call by reference. This makes call by reference appear more implicit. In C++, functions are identified by their function signature. This function, which returns the volume of a cuboid, is different than this function, which returns the volume of a sphere. Even though the two functions have the same name, the return type, the name of the function, and the types of the function arguments are all combined to form a function signature. The function signature is used to identify the function. Understanding functions is fundamental to C++. Even in C++'s object-oriented programming model, functions are the basis of class methods. All code in a C++ program happens in functions.